Today is National Coffee Day, and what better way to celebrate anything than with some ice cream. So today we're gonna be making a spiked salted caramel affogato. If you don't know what an affogato is, it is the marriage of the two best things in the entire world, coffee and ice cream. So we're gonna start off by decorating our glass with some chocolate syrup and caramel syrup. So you wanna make it pretty like so. You wanna do a little something like this, a little, you know, get a little artsy. And now we're gonna drizzle our caramel. It's a cute little design, look at that. Fill up your glass with ice cream. As much ice cream as you want. So I'm gonna do like 3 scoops. You know, it's not summer anymore. You don't need abs. So now we're gonna pour our hot espresso over our ice cream. And now for the spiked part, we're gonna be adding Baileys and vodka. Now we're gonna pour it over our ice cream. And because we like to make things pretty around here, we are going to be adding some chocolate covered coffee beans straight from Colombia, my motherland. This is the definition of treat yourself. So treat yourself on National Coffee Day with this spiked salted caramel affogato. Cheers. So here's a thirsty tip. You're gonna want a spoon for this. So you're gonna wanna grab a little bit of ice cream, okay? And then you're gonna go low. All the goodies. Oh, I got a bean in there. That's good.